Hey everyone, this is how you use ReChat to create an open house registration for the open house that you are doing, and it will tag everybody who signs in directly to that open house. So the first thing you're going to do is go under listings over here on the left, and you're going to choose open house. It's going to ask you up here to start a new open house link. So I'm going to delete this one because that's the one I want to use. And then you type in the MLS number of the property you're doing the open house at. It will find it through the MLS. And first thing you can do is go down here and edit your registration link. You can change out the pictures. You can change out the information, the questions that they ask here. I suggest you leave that, but this picture particularly isn't one of the best pictures of this house. So maybe I want to change it to show, I don't know, maybe this one, that it's new construction. So you'll save that, whatever you want to change it to, and then you'll click save over here. You can put your date in here of when your open house is, or you can change this to something else like Maggie's listing or something like that. But I recommend leaving it as the address. You'll click save, and this is so simple that once you have it saved, it's going to come up on your open house registrations list, and all you have to do is click the registration link right here, and that's going to take you to the sign-in page. When you're done, you can come back over here to listings and go to open house, and every open house you've done will register here. It'll tell you when you did it and how many registrants you had. So I'm going to go to registration link, and as people come in, this will be set up on the kitchen counter, and they can just fill it in, scan the QR code, whatever they think is easier. And every person who registers will automatically get added to your database with a tag of this actual open house. Hope that helps.